Hi children, wherever we look, in your house, around the garden, anywhere you look, you see colors. We are going to learn colors. Look at a thing, any item and say what color that is. You have a box of crayon and you identify and you can touch and say which color. We are going to look at some objects, either flowers or animals, anything. You should be able to say the correct color. Let's look at our first picture and identify the color. Yes, good. While we learn colors, we must learn spellings too. Look what you have. Here you have a pig, sunflower. What is the color of the sunflower? Yellow. Yellow flower. Yellow flower. Spell yellow. That's the first color we are learning today. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow flower. Yellow flower. Two words we are learning. Flower. Spell flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. What is the color of this flower? Yellow. Spell yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Good. Yellow flower. Let's look at another picture. Identify the color. Look. What is this? Feather. Spell feather. F-E-A-T-H-E-R. Feather. What color feather? Blue. Blue feather. Spell blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Blue feather. Good. Let's go on. Look now what you have. Leaf. Spell leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. Green leaf. Spell green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Leaves are green. Green leaves. Green leaf. There's one single leaf here. What is the color of the leaf? Green. Good. Let's take the next color. See what we have here? You have apple. Apple. Spell apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. What is the color? Red. R-E-D. Red. Red apple. What is the color? Red. Red apple. Good. Let's go to the next picture. See what we have. Duck. You have a duck here. What is the color of the duck? Yellow duck. Spell yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Yellow duck. Good. Yellow duck. Let's go on to a new picture. And what do we see here? Again flower. What color flower? Pink flower. Spell pink. P-I-N-K. Pink flower. Pink. You learned the color? Pink. Identify the color. Lovely. Pink flower. Good. Let's take our next picture and identify the color. What is this? Fig. It's a fruit. Lovely fruit. You can eat it raw. You can eat it dry. And its color is purple. Deep purple color fig. Purple fig. Fig. Purple fig. It's very juicy, tasty fruit. Purple color fig. Good. Let's go to our next picture. See what we have. What's the color of the sky? Blue. Blue sky. Spell blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Look out in the sun. Look out of the window into the sky, and the sky is blue. Blue. Normally, sky is blue. Good. Let's take our next picture. See what we have. Look at this. You like to drink milk? Yes. Spell milk. M-I-L-K. Milk. What is the color of milk? White. Spell white. W-H-I-T-E. White milk. Yes? White milk. Good. Let's take a new picture. White milk. What do you see here? Here is a ball. What is the color of the ball? Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. What is the color of this ball? Orange. Orange ball. Good. Let's go to our next colorful picture. What is the color? Black. Yes. What is black? Hat. You have a black hat. What do you use that hat for? To put on your head on a sunny day. Spell black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. Black hat. Good. Let's take our next picture. See what we have. Piggy. What is the color of the little pig? Pink pig. Pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Lovely, cute little piglet. He is pink in color. Pink pig. Good. Let's go on to a new picture. Coin. Look at mommy's purse. Look at the coin. What is the color of the coin? Silver. Silver. Shiny. Spell silver. S-I-L-V-E-R. Silver coin. A 1 rupee coin is silver. Good. Silver coin. Let's take a new picture and look at the color. What color do we see here? What is the color of the sun? The sun is golden color. Golden yellow. Golden sun. This is a golden sun. Bright. Spell golden. G-O-L-D-E-N. Golden. Sun is golden color. Good. Let's take a new picture. What do you see here? Sack. Where do you see sack? In the shop. Yes? Sack. Made of jute. What is the color of the sack? Brown. This is a brown sack. Spell brown. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. Brown sack. Brown. What is inside? Maybe rice, maybe sugar, anything. You can put into the sack anything. Brown sack. Let's go on to a new picture. You have again flower here. What's the color of this flower? Pink. Pink rose. Pink flower. P-I-N-K. Pink. This is a pink rose flower. Pink rose flower. Now you learn to identify colors. Good. Let's take a new picture. Parrot. What is the color of this parrot? Green parrot. Spell green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. This is a green parrot. A green bird. Green parrot. Let's go on to a new picture and identify the color of what you see. Grape. Do you eat grapes? Yes. What color grapes? There are purple and green and red. And this is purple grape. Spell purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. These are purple grapes. Dark purple grape. Juicy and sweet. Purple grapes. Good. Let's take another picture. What is this? Housefly. Fly. What does fly do? Come in and sit on your food, isn't it? What is the color of the fly? Grey. G-R-E-Y. Grey fly. Grey fly. What else is grey? What else you find grey? Grey colored donkey. Yes. Grey fly. Good. So we learned lots of colors today. We learned to identify an item and say the correct color. Okay? Now, this fly is grey. Good.